So, hey guys, this is Pradeep from Webjar, founder and MD. So, this meet is going to be very much time constrained. This could be actually relying on various social media platforms after this is being conducted. So, talking about today's session, I'll be coming to it. But before going into it, let me quickly say about the time constraints alone. So, there is just going to be 2 minutes for me to explain about what is the introduction is. Okay. So before that, just let me give you a small disclaimer. So there would be voice issues. There would be some data transmission issues. Please forgive me on that. And if you guys feel anything to be uh, different, just comment onto the comment box so that I'll stop or else we'll move forward. So that is one thing. And moving on to today's introduction, what is for today? What why am I actually going through this live session that is open talk? Okay, so today, as you know, this day is being celebrated as Engineers Day because it is Dr. Vishweshwaraya's hap- like it's his birthday. So we think like we as engineers, we are very much proud of being an engineer, and like we owe to it. It's all due to his contribution towards Indian engineering infrastructures. So without him, we are nobody. We are nobody here. Without him, Dr. Vishwesvaraya, we would be nobody here actually as an engineer. So he laid down every foundations of our entire Indian engineering infrastructure and took up many projects and have completed it successfully also. Let it be in civil, that is civil and architecture, and also in science and technologies. He has contributed a lot to this mother nation. So, like talking about him, it would take a long time. We don't want to actually waste time just spending what his talking about his history. Better than that, like let's have a small discussion on uh, how is this India going forward and what are the actual steps that is required to be taken by engineers to build a better India in the future. So this open talk could be somewhere uh, having a time limit of around 20 minutes. So the 20 minutes could be starting right now. And for your kind notification, this entire video is being recorded. So after recording, this entire video can be relayed on any of this social media platform of us. So anyways, I'm saying like I'm requesting Manishma to also just have a recordings of it. If you have any other facilities, you can also record it so that it is immediately available for you. So let me add on people who are joining right now. Yes, we have Rahul also online, and thank you for that. Thank you for informing that. So, so yes, we are good to go with the today's open talk. Come on, what do you think about an Engineers Day to be celebrated? So come on, guys, what do you think?
I lay on the point that we engineers are particularly are committed to solving our society problems. Like you said that we celebrate this day on behalf of Dr. Vishweswaraya's birthday. So he has done India's biggest dam, that is Krishna Sagar Dam, right? He has made a big difference in Bangalore's people's life. So every engineer in their life has what became a what they has made a difference in other people's life in society. So this day, I guess this is not only an engineer's day, but it is a kind of a society related day. A day of people who solve society's problems, who tend to see society as their major priority and has the solutions to solve it. So I guess this day goes nowhere.
So actually, I can't able to hear you. Murali Krishnan, if you are talking, kindly.
Hmm. சொல்லடா வாட்
Yeah, take your time.
ஹாப்பி இன்ஜினியரிங் டே ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நெக்ஸ்ட் வாட் ஐ சே மேன் ஒரே ஒரு டவுட் ஆக்சுவலா என்னன்னா
You can talk in any language.
அது ஓகே என்ன ஒரு டவுட்னா எப்படி சொல்றது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்ம இன்ஜினியரிங்கா அது மட்டும் கேளு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்ம கரெக்டா பண்றோமான்னு கேக்குறேன் நம்ம ஒர்க்கை
We have to be actually thinking about it. What do you guys think?
I think yes. Yes, you are doing the role of an engineer.
Why he's asking that question is because he has huge role models. Like we have Vishweshwaraya itself. That's why.
Okay.
Now am I clear?
ஓகேடா
Now I'm clear. Okay, got it. So this is uh, a session, an open talk about engineers, right? So as Indians, we find many jugads. Jugad in the sense it is an Hindi phrase. Jugad is something, a shortcut, or something like a very different way of doing something. That is what is called as jugad in Hindi. Okay, sorry for using an Hindi stuff. It's our Indian language only. Hindi is our Indian language only. So we are fond of doing something jugad every time. As engineers, as Indians, we do many things like this. So now also I did the jugad. Okay, the jugad was there was an echo. Okay, so what I did is I am connected to an mobile device and also a laptop. So that's why there was an echo. What I did is I just paused. I mean muted my mobile device and I'm talking from my laptop. My video is being relayed through phone and the voice is being captured by the laptop actually, and recording is also through laptop. So this is also jugad. We are engineers. Like we don't need any degrees to be an engineer. Uh, as also what Murli Krishnan said, are we doing something really related to engineering? Are we really being going to be the role models for the next generation, like what Vishweshwaraya did? Uh, if you guys don't know about him, I'm not going to tell about him. You guys go and watch about him. You go and research about him. There is Wikipedia, there is Google, and there are many platforms there. You just want to go, sit there, type Vishweshwaraya, and see his entire contribution towards engineering. You would think that he was just an architect. He was just a civil engineer. What did he do actually? Right? You would think like that. If you want to just take one example, it won't be enough to celebrate Indians like this. Okay, because Indians were engineers long back also. You would remember Tanjavur Periya Kovil. You know what is Tanjavur temple is about, how it is being constructed, and there are also many infrastructures and architectures that has been built in India before even there was crane. You know crane, right? It lifts something. Before that itself, huge rocks were carved. There were many things like that, and they were did in a correct geometry. The geometries were that much similar that if you see from its top, and also from like even researchers are doing some researches onto it, while being in space they're mapping everything that Indians have done, and there have been researchers based on that also. The geometry that these guys did, are way more ahead of the measurements. Let it be the measurements and instrumentation engineering that is being done right now, because at those times there were no like particular instruments that will actually measure this much amount of space. But now we have sensors, we have many things that actually helps us to map some certain things here. But at those times, without those departments, that is sensors, instrumentation, and also electronics engineering, which is used for measuring something, they did they did many wonders. So that is what is my point about. Like, we are engineers from engineers and scientists from blood. We just wanted to explore it. We haven't explored that dimension, and we have left it as it is. But the genius will unfold only when we think out of the box and when we think out of a student's perspective. We are students. Obviously, I'm a student. I accept it. But always they have been trained us. They have been focused on making a good student rather than making us a good citizen. So whenever you think about a nation and a citizenship, you would always think about everything. Your student mentality, your engineering perspective mentality. 1 minute. So we have another participant who is actually joining the whole. Okay. So we would actually think more if we think as a citizen of India. That is what my mindset is about. This is what my comment and opinion on today's engineers day. And happy to be an engineer, to be called as an engineer. This is what my comment is about.
To say, first of all, happy Engineers Day to all the engineers present here and not present here.
Okay.
Okay. So the thing I wanted to ask is,
Yeah.
there are phrases stating to look out of the box, think out of the box. First, are we uh, successfully and executing the things inside the box? First, what is inside the box?
Yes. So what do you think about that inside the box? I am not sure what you are actually saying about that inside.
Actually, the phrase inside out of the box is conventional thinking overcome பண்ணிட்டு something creative in an unconventional way. So this is what they mean to say about think out of the box.
Yeah. What is a conventional way of thinking then? How you would
Depends upon the things followed till date.
Hmm. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. That
So
was good.
just a doubt or a question or something.
Your question was actually, are we thinking first inside the box, and we are
Yeah.
actually concentrating on going out of the box, but are we thinking inside the box first of all? That was your question, right?
Yes.
If I wanted to say we aren't, we aren't doing it.
Hmm.
We have to accept. We are not even thinking inside the box. We are we are totally addicted inside a box. That is we are talking through. We're not even thinking inside the box actually. We have been addicted inside the box. This box. This is my opinion. If we, that's why I'm saying to think out of the box. If we leave Google, if we leave many resources, and if we go and get onto the field, and if we learn, if we take up the books, if we take up the survey, and if we read it, like there many things can come out. That's why I think so Silicon Valley has no educom classes. Even many famous billionaires don't send their kids for a digital classroom. They send them for a blackboard classroom. Why? Because there is some thing that is coming from our hands when we draw something, do something. Yes, we are not thinking inside the box at all for the first sake. What do you guys think? Like Manishma, Murli, Kishore, uh, Dinesh, Mega. What do you guys think about this?
Shall I mute? Is my background noisy? Disturbing too much?
My background noise is too much.
But the thing is, many people, as what
It,
mean,
uh, Manishma, could you be a bit louder?
okay, can you hear me now?
Yes, yes.
So the thing is, they won't be comfortable to get out of their comfort zone. They will just stick into இது கிடைச்சா போதும் எனக்குன்ற மாதிரி ஒரு மைண்ட் செட் இருக்கிறதுனால they just stick on to what they have. They don't tend to move further or do some research and get over to learn things. They resist themselves. Okay, இதுதான் கிடைச்சிச்சுல லைஃப் தான் முடிச்சுல. But they won't further and they just stick on to what they have. So that is the biggest mindset of many youngsters or many working people right now. So when that mindset goes, they will just keep on developing ourselves and they will just keep on moving ahead. That's why many top people, what they will think is they won't sit at one particular job. They will be shifting from one higher position to higher position. But when you see like middle class people, they're just working in one set of employee companies, or they'll just shift to another company as an employee itself. So they will just stick on to the same grade of mindset. So that is, I guess that mindset major problem of thinking out of. So when they get out of, they can do wonders.
What about Murli Krishnan? What do you think? Mega is there, Dinesh is there, Kishore is there.
Yes.
Come on, guys. What do you think about this one thing? Like being inside the box, think we are saying to think out of the box. What is this game about? All of
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் திங் என்னன்னா நம்ம மேல தப்பு இல்லை ஃபர்ஸ்ட் மீன்ஸ் எப்படின்னா
Very, very correct.
நம்ம மேல தப்பு இல்லை மேம்
yes,
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் திங் அது
yes,
செகண்ட் திங் என்னன்னா அப்படியே இருக்கிறது நம்ம மேல தப்பு ஓகேவா
yes.
This is also very, very correct.
That's good. That's good.
ஓகேங்களா
Come on.
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் திங் பத்தி சொல்லிடுறேன் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்னன்னா பொண்ணு பேரண்ட்ஸ் கிட்ட இருந்து ப்ராப்ளம் மீன்ஸ் அவங்க விட மாட்டாங்க செகண்ட் திங் என்னன்னா அந்த பேரண்ட்ஸ் யார்கிட்ட விடுவாங்க பார்த்தா அந்த டீச்சர்ஸ் கிட்ட விடுவாங்க அந்த டீச்சர்ஸும் ஒழுங்கா இல்ல சப்போஸ் அப்படின்னா ஒழுங்கா இல்ல சொல்ல மாட்டாங்க பண்றாங்க பட் அவங்க பண்ணதே நம்மள பண்ண சொல்றாங்க அதுதான் தப்பான விஷயம் ஓகேவா அது என்னன்னு சொல்றதுன்னு தெரியல அப்போஸ் பண்ணா எதனா சொல்லுவாங்க அது விடுங்க அது அது செகண்ட் திங் அதான் சொல்றேன் டீச்சர்ஸ் வந்து இன்ஜினியரிங் சொல்லி கொடுக்கணும்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அவங்க பேட்டர்ன்லாம் மீன்ஸ் நம்மளுக்கு ஒரு ஐபிஆர் பத்தி சொல்லி தர்றாங்கன்னா அப்படின்னா அதை பத்தி அவங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஐபிஆர் பேட்டர்ன் போட்டு இருக்கணும் கன்ஃபார்மா அவங்க ஒரு எதனா ஒரு 5 இல்ல ஒரு 5 ஆர் 10 ஆருக்கு போட்டு இருக்கணும் பேட்டர்னை பத்தி தெரிஞ்சிருக்கணும் இவங்க வந்து எப்படின்னா எதுவுமே பண்ணாம ஜஸ்ட் டீச்சர்ஸ் ப்ரொஃபஸர் சொல்லிட்டு எடுத்துன்னு வந்து பண்ணத அது அவங்களே எப்படின்னா வெறும் தியரி மட்டும் படிச்சு வந்து நம்மளுக்கு தியரியே சொல்றாங்க நம்மள எப்படி கெயின் ஆக முடியும் அது ஒரு திங்கு செகண்ட் திங் என்னன்னா இது தெரிஞ்சும் நம்ம இப்படியே உட்காந்துன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க நம்ம தான் தப்பு அது நம்ம மேல தப்பு ஐ திங்க் இந்த பாக்ஸ் விட்டு நீ வெளியே வரணும்னா இது ரெண்டு தான் ரொம்ப மேஜரான திங் நம்ம என்ன நினைக்கிறோம்னா நம்ம வந்துட்டோம்னு நினைக்கிறோம் ஓரளவுக்கு வெளியே
Yes, as Vibjar, we are coming out of the rest of the
கொஞ்சம்
stuff.
கொஞ்சமா வெளியே வரும் எப்படின்னா ஒரு சர்டன் பீரியடுக்கு அப்புறம் டோட்டலா நம்ம எப்படின்னா கொஞ்சம் நம்மளோட வியூல போவோம் இப்போ கூட நம்ம எப்படின்னா ரெஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் ஆகிதான் இருக்கும் அந்த பாக்ஸ்குள்ளே தான் இருக்கும் எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு இதை பண்ணக்கூடாது நீ எக்ஸாம் எழுதினாதான் நீ பெரிய ஆளு அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இல்ல டிகிரி இருந்தாதான் உனக்கு வேல்யூ கிடைக்குன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க அதெல்லாம் நேம் சேக் தான். அதெல்லாம் அந்த காலம். இப்ப இருக்கிறதெல்லாம் டோட்டலா வேற. உங்களுக்கே தெரியும். நிறைய வீடியோ பார்த்துருப்பீங்க. இது ஸ்டோரிஸ், பயோகிராஃபி எல்லாம் பார்த்துருப்பீங்க. ஐ திங்க் நினைக்கிறேன். ஓகேவா? அதனால ரொம்பலாம் இல்ல. ஸ்கில்லு, டேலண்ட் இருந்தா போதும். ஓகேவா? அதுக்கு வந்து எப்படின்னா அதோட இன்வால்மெண்ட்டும் டெடிகேஷனும் இருக்கணும் கூட சேர்ந்து.
That was the correct point.
அவ்வளவுதான்.
Involvement and dedication towards life will lead and will
Very
transform the
important.
entire India itself. But right now we are
Yeah.
actually dedicated towards TikTok, making TikTok videos. TikTok போயிடுச்சு, PUBG போயிடுச்சு. Again it's coming. We are sitting and debating.
Man,
It is also
anything-
engineering.
பப்ஜி கூட நான் எதுவும் சொல்ல மாட்டேன்டா. ஆக்சுவலா என்னன்னா அது மூலியமா நிறைய நம்ம லேர்ன் பண்ணிருக்கேன். நான் லேர்ன் பண்ணிருக்கேன் எப்படின்னா அந்த சோல்ஜர்ஸ், அந்த கன் ரைஃபிள்ஸ் அதை பத்தி லேர்ன் பண்றது நிறைய தெரிய ஆரம்பிச்சிச்சு இல்ல. அதுவே போதும். ஒரு எப்படி
I
சொல்றது?
actually wanted to comment on that one.
கரெக்ட் தான்.
actually.
கன் நாலேஜ்லாம் அதுக்கு வந்து அப்புறம் தான் தெரிஞ்சுல நமக்கு.
உங்களுக்கு மேபி ஒரு சோல்ஜரோ இல்ல ஒரு எப்படி சொல்றது அந்த ஃபீல்ட்ல இருக்கவங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சிருந்துச்சு இவ்வளவு நாளா. ஆனா இப்ப இருக்க யாரு வேணா சொல்லலாம், ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா சொல்லுவாங்க. நீங்க கவலைப்பட தேவையில்ல.
Can I say a comment on that one point, that one opinion?
ஓகே மேம்.
கமெண்ட் யா வெயிட்டிங் ஃபார் கமெண்ட்.
The thing is, I'm not opposing PUBG. I'm not saying
Yes.
like it went
Okay.
away. What I'm saying is, what PUBG did is it liberalized, that is democratized every information that is present in weapons technology world. It is already there. You can go and even search it in Google itself. You can learn about it. But it more democratized everything. It showed everything about violence. Obviously, they did it. But what I'm saying is, thinking about soldiers, thinking about frontiers. What about thinking about people who doesn't need soldiers? Nations which doesn't need soldiers at all. We are fighting against enmity. Okay, so we are fighting actually against enmity. What about where there is no enmity at all? We are not thinking about it itself. That is what my thing is. Not creating soldiers. We have to be creating people who banish those enmities around these boundaries. If that is fine, I'm all okay with this engineering stuff, the weapon technology, anything. This could be a small, what to say, it could be a small toy,
Okay,
what we
okay.
work with, because that is what the thing is. And I think so this session would actually end somewhere, I don't know, but still let's quickly just wrap it up regarding this session. So
ஓகேடா.
you guys can be talking about it. Yeah, come on to you. So officially there is just 10 minutes. Okay, so can we actually conclude something from this session? Obviously we have not talked much, we haven't did anything, lots of stuff. Let's conclude this immediately. Okay, so first of all, from our side, from Vibjar side, we are very much having a huge pleasure in wishing you a very happy Engineers Day. So from this day we are going to be committed towards certain things. That is like what Rahul said, we have to start also thinking inside the box and also outside the box. Both the things is very important. And what Murli Krishnan said, we have to be thinking about not only student professors relationship, student parents relationship, we have to also think about student and citizenship stuff. You have to be thinking with respect to your dedication and your involvement towards one thing, your idea. And I think so, like there are many stuff, there are many dimensions for it. So I think so pretty much a good session today. So we'll end this session by just summarizing certain commitments that we are going to do hereafter. Okay, what can be done is, let's create an movement of coloring this universe. That is what our vision is, and making India as in $5 trillion economy is obviously the mission of India itself for 2025. What's our contribution towards the nation is about making an $1 billion evaluated company that is going to contribute towards this mission of India. Okay, So this is what the message is about. This is what the commitment from our side is. So wishing you a very happy Engineers Day. I wanted to end this session.
Fearless.